This paper is talk about e-logbook application designs for job training during the COVID-19 pandemic, case study Business Administration Department of Polytechnic Negeri Samarinda. For the introduction, student job training, or known as PKL, is a mandatory course that must be taken by every final student for D3 Business Administration at the Samarinda State Polytechnic. So when carrying out the PKL, students are expected to be able to implement the knowledge they have gained in college into the real world of work in any agency. The student also must carry out the procedure established by the study program, starting from registration to compiling reports. Unfortunately, the COVID-19 is one of many reasons for the delay of PKL itself, because student reporting process is still using paper records, which will be submitted to the supervisor at the end of the PKL time period is over. Therefore, this is very ineffective because the process of exchanging information is very slow and inefficient, which the supervisor cannot monitor the student daily progress during the PKL. For this reason, it is necessary to create an information system, namely a logbook application that is easily accessible by student, supervisor, and industrial supervisor, as well as the admin of Business Administration Study Program, to make it easier to monitor student activities and development during the PKL period. Therefore, the design of the e-logbook application for PKL is designed and built on a website-based basing using the SDLC waterfall method, which is expected to meet the needs of students in recording reports, attendance, daily activity journal, and computerized assessment to improve the performance, service quality, competitiveness, and the quality of the PKL itself. For the literature review, there are 6 theories that used in this paper. The first one is job training from Hamalik 2001, and then the second one is about logbook, which is from KBBI Dictionary, and then the third one is system development life cycle, or SDLC, from Dennis et al. 2015. And the fourth are Unified Modeling Language, or UML, from Wilson and Morisot 2005, and an Entity Relationship Diagram, or ERD, from Sukma Indrayana and Sidik 2017, and the last one is Wireframe from Anggitama et al. 2008. In this picture, there are 4 pages for the methodology for this paper, and then the method used from this system development is SDLC. SDLC has 4 basic phases, which include planning, analysis, design, and then the last one is implementation, which is common to all information system development projects. So this is the system that used in this paper. For the result and analysis, so the following are the stage of the e-logbook application design for job training information system that will be built using the SDLC waterfall. The first stage are planning. At this stage, case studies are conducted in the form of interviews with the administrator, and then student, and then supervisor from the Business Administration Study Program to identify the system requirement to be built. And then the next stage is analysis. After the planning stage, it is known that the student PKL reporting system currently in use still use paper and books. So the system is still going through a long process to find out the progress of each PKL student. So this is the design of the e-logbook activity. At this stage, a design is made based on the result of the analysis. So the logbook application designed for job training can be accessed on this website. So this is the wireframe, the form of the apps or the application. This is the login form, and then home, and then this is the information about the student, their name, their picture. So they can also use the dashboard to upload document and anything like attendance and many so. For the implementation, this prototype system has been tested and operated by the user. After the user tests the system, it can be concluded that the system has met the needs and all features are running well and there are no complaints. For the next is validation phase. At this stage, the prototype system has been tested and operated by user. After the user tests the system, it can be concluded that the system has met the needs and all the features are running well. And the electric application designs for PKL that was built has been completed and it is ready to be run in business administration study program. For the conclusion, e-logbook application designed for student job training using the SDLC waterfall method can help the reporting system and monitoring the progress of the PKL program more easily and effectively because the system will automatically be updated to each interested party or user. And this application can be added with the following features. Features or minutes newly correspond to health and condition in the future will shortly come. Thank you.